Hello and welcome to the first lecture on Vedic mathematics on Infidemi. In this lecture, we're going to do a very simple trick in which we can multiply a series of 9s by any number. Alright, for example, let's say I have 999, which is a series of 9, and I need to multiply it by 789. Alright, so if you try and do this calculation by the usual method of multiplication, how long do you think you're going to take? A minute? Maybe two? But with this trick, I assure you we can do it in just 5 seconds. Alright, so let's get on with it, and all you need to do is follow 3 simple steps. Alright, step number 1, subtract 1 from the given number. So the number I have is 789. I'm going to subtract 1 from 789, and that is going to give me 788, and I'm going to write it over here. Step number 2, find the base. So what exactly is the base? Base is the power of 10 which is closest to the series of 9s. For example, 99, the base of 10, 10, 100, 1000. So the base of 10 which is closest to 99 is 100. Alright, so the base for 99 would be 100. The base from 999 would be 1000, because 1000 is closest to 999. Alright, so step number 2 is to subtract the given number from your base. So the base chosen is 1000, so I need to subtract 789. A very simple way to do it is subtract all the digits except the last one from 9. So 9 minus 7 will give me 2, 9 minus 8 will give me 1, and for the last digit, subtract it from 10. So 10 minus 9 is going to give me 1. Alright, so all I need to now do is write both these numbers 7, 8, 8, 2, 1, 1 together, and that is the answer to this multiplication. So let's see if we can actually do this in 5 seconds and claim whatever we have is true. Alright, so I'll choose a number. So I'll choose a series of 9 which is 999999, and I'll want to multiply this by a number 742386. Alright, so you do realize that these are very large numbers, and if I go ahead and multiply them using the usual methods, it might take me 5 minutes. Alright, but we're going to do it in just 5 seconds. Alright, so in 3, 2, 1, let's go. And that's it. And now, before you go ahead and show off this new skill, there are a few variations you must also understand, so that you have all the weapons in your armory. What if we need to multiply 9999 by 789? Now, 999 is a 4-digit number, and we are multiplying it by 789, which is a 3-digit number. So how do we do this? All we need to do is a minor tweak in the steps we followed. So all we need to do is make 789 a 4-digit number. How do we do that? Just add a 0 to it. So now I would try and multiply 0789 into 9999 by the methods we just learned. Alright, so step 1 is to subtract 1 from your given number. So if I subtract 1 from 789, it is going to give me 0788. So if I write 0788 or if I write 788, it does not make a difference. So I'm going to write 788. Alright. Next is to find the base. You already know the base for this number is 10,000. And we need to subtract your number 0789 from 10,000. Alright. So the way we have already discussed is to subtract all the digits except the last one from 9. So that would give me 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 8, 1. And for the last digit, subtract it from 10. And that is going to give me 1. And the final step, write both these digits or both these numbers together. And that will be the answer to this multiplication. And that's it. And before we come to a close, let's just talk about one more variation so that you know this technique in entirety. Alright, so let's say you need to multiply 99 by 789. Now 99 is just a 2-digit number, and you are multiplying it by 789, which is a 3-digit number. So the number we are multiplying is a larger number with respect to the number, the series of 9s that we have. Alright, so how do you do this? So in this case, we don't need to follow the steps we learned earlier, but it'll be another step which is very simple. So all you need to do is you need to write 789 multiplied by, now 99 I can write it as 100 minus 1. So I would get 78900, that is 789 multiplied by 100, minus 789. So all we need to do is we need to subtract these two numbers. Now this is not going to take much of a time because subtraction is certainly easier than multiplying these two numbers. Alright, so if I subtract these two numbers, what I would get is 1, 1, 1, 8 and 7. So that will be my answer. Alright, and this should also not take more than 5 seconds. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned this technique, and now you can go ahead and use it and maybe show off a little. Alright, so see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.